Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them. For the month of February, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. I will link all of their channels down below so you can check them out. Subscribe, run a playlist, at least a couple videos, and if you do, make sure you tell them I sent you. Alright, today we need to take care of business. I've been sick, missed quite a bit of work between myself being sick, my son being sick, and then also snow days. It's not been looking good. I've been over here just trying to get through this part of whatever's going on in February. So hopefully we get back on track and things start to look up. In the meantime, I'm just going to do the best that I can. And, okay, I'm not prepared. I do need to do my budget. And it's early in the morning. So it's dark outside, and I pulled out some lighting. It's going to be some puppets and glares, but we are going to get through this because I need to do this now. Yes. So, let's count up what we're working with. This is important. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're stuffing $106 for my high priority today. My bills did come out already, so we are starting fresh with our bills. And I did kind of go over what I need to do. And here's my cheat sheet. I was trying to find it because I'm pretty certain we are very close to what I need to have happen today. So we said for part-time we have $106, and that's the total we're working with today. Whatever extra whatever I was paid, I tried to leave as much as I could in my bank account for rent. So because rent is like my #1 priority, I think it's the same for everybody. If nothing else gets paid, I need that rent to get paid. So I have to figure out what the heck I'm gonna do since I've missed work. So utilities. And if I have to move this money around to get my rent together, I will. But for now, I think we're okay. So utilities, I put in $10, and internet, I'm putting $10. So we have other bills. We're skipping phone. That one just got paid. Insurance just got paid. Subscriptions. That one's not quite. I already paid that one earlier this month, but I think it has something in the envelope. Stop it, kitty. And then memberships, we're going to go ahead and put $5. Sorry, that's my kitty. Let me put him out. 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So I think that's all of the bills. So that's $25. And then we're going to, was this paycheck for the 21st? I think it was. I don't have my my glasses on, so I can't see across the room for my calendar. I just know that I post my high priority on Sunday, so that's why our blocks say 23rd, so I know that's the day it needs to be posted. Okay, so cash envelopes. Mommy, $10, which I think I'm going to, I don't know how I'm going to work that. Let's not jump ahead. Gas, $20. I'm not certain I need 20 because I haven't really been driving, but I wanted to give myself the 20 just in case. And household, definitely need some items. $10. Pets, kitty needs some food. I have plenty of litter, so that's good. And then laundry. Can't spell. $10. And I do need to get to the laundromat because we've been sick. We got to take care of some of the stuff. I have some quarters in my laundry coin bag, and we're going to add $10 more to that, and then we're going to go for it. So we have $60 for a total here. And then that means we have, I know it's simple math, but my brain is not firing on all engines. Minus 25, minus 60. Okay, so $21 for savings. And I think that's what I was counting on because I did my roll and save. I just rolled the dice off camera, and I think it ended up being $20. So we'll cross that bridge when we get to it, and hopefully this all works out. I'm going to set this off to the side. And we'll start with our weekly expenses. These envelopes are from Conversation on Etsy. Alright, so Mommy, $10. And I really wanted to try to save this for savings challenges, so here's to hoping. Gas, $20. I think we're going to have to do household and pets together. So household, pets, they both get $10. So I'm just going to work that out when I get to the store. Both pets. My kiddos have a sinking fund and then also some savings. So when they want some money, I already have that put aside. So we're not doing allowance like we were before. And then laundry. Let's go ahead and do laundry. $10. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is my little coin purse that I take with me to the laundromat. And I did speak with their dad. He said he may try to meet me there to help me with, because I'm so backed up with the laundry. So we'll see though, because, you know, sometimes things work out and sometimes they don't. And I just know I have to get it done. Okay, so let's move on to, let's do the savings challenge really quick. We can get this out of the way. So what I did was I rolled my dice off camera. And these are the ones with the little stars next to it. And it equaled $20. I still have some weeks to go for this savings challenge. I don't know yet. Am I going to finish it? We'll see. Hopefully. If not, we have a new savings challenge for the month of March. And so I may move on to that because this one already has quite a bit of money. And I can be working on putting this with my sinking fund. So we have 20, 25, 30, 32, $33. And I love, love, love to see it. So, but I don't know if I'm going to finish it or if I'm just going to call it good. I feel like that's a good number. Okay, so we don't have anything for our save 225 in 2025. Hopefully we'll get back to that. And then no letter bucks. We do have a letter buck, but I don't have enough for both my kids. So I'm going to hang on to this as long as I can. But I think, okay, yes. Let's do this. We're going to put $1 into our knockout. It's not a lot, but as long as we're working on it, that's all I can ask for at this point. Yes, we're on round 9, so we're just going to put $1 into the first envelope, and then hopefully we'll get back to business where we're cranking this out, because this one's almost finished. It's really, really close to being finished, and I like that for us. Alright, so I went all out of order, but let's go ahead and stuff the last couple of envelopes for our bills. And I did file my taxes, so I will be trying to figure out my life with those funds, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, utilities, $10, 5, Okay. And I met a young lady, well, a lady in my building who she said she, like how I cash stuff, she says she just makes a payment weekly. And I was like, oh, that's a good idea, because the utility company will let you pay ahead. Not a lot, but I think it's a certain amount that they stop you at from paying so much on it. But we only have one main utility company where I live, and so, but she pays weekly, and I was like, oh, that's a great idea. All right, and then internet is getting $10. Okay, our phone, we paid nothing there. Insurance, we paid nothing there. Subscriptions has $5, and we're not adding anything there. And memberships is getting $5. So memberships now has $5, $10, $15. Alright, and so the money you see back here, we'll deal with that. I believe it will be next week because I missed so much work. I had to pull the funds from my safety net to make sure that I have the money to kind of get me through. So that's what that is back there. Alright, we did it, guys. We completed our bills as well as our weekly expenses, which need to get to the laundromat. We did one savings challenge, no, two, because we put something in to knock out. Something's better than nothing. I like to see it. I'm feeling a little bit better than I was, so that's good. Still fighting off whatever this crap is, and I guess the way the doctor explained it is that people have been sick a lot longer, and to keep an eye out for, you know, other things like a fever or, you know, fluids coming out of your body in a quick manner. And so I haven't had any of those issues. One of my kiddos, he was sick just a little bit longer than me, still hanging on to that cough, and he had pink eye too, so poor kid. But he's doing a lot better too. And then, you know, spring break at the end of March. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you all so much for coming back again. Bye, guys.